My name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make felt fabric boiled egg. It's very easy to sew. Enjoy the video. To make this, you need pencil, paper, yellow yarn, pins, thread and needle, stuffing, white and yellow felt, and scissors. Draw an egg shape. Cut. Take your felt fabric, white felt fabric, place here, take your pins, pin, cut. Done. Remove pins. Okay, 1, 2. Take your needle and thread and sew. Do a blanket stitch like this. Okay, so go ahead and do that from here to about here. Do not sew here. Do not sew here. When you get to this point, stop. I sew here and take this and put in here. And close. Okay, it's done. And now cut. Put this aside. Take this and cut here. Take your yellow felt, put here, pin, and cut. Okay, here, right, remove the sticky knot. And paste here. Okay, so it's done. So I went ahead and made another one, boiled egg. Okay, so take this one, put here, and sew here. Okay, it's done like that. Okay, take yellow yarn or white yarn. About this size. And cut. and make a string like that. Okay, when you get to the end, just tie here like that. One more time. And cut this. So take this and sew it here. Like that. You can use this as a decoration in your house. Or on your bag, like this. Maitabasane kuona. Thank you for watching. Miche Create Arigato. Bye.